This is absolutely amazing. I can smell the spinach, the pak choi, the sesame. They look beautiful. Wow, look at these. The color on these skewers is amazing. Smell beautiful. They look wonderful. What a lovely recipe. It's speedy, it's low calorie, it's simple to make and packed with Asian flavors. What is it? Well, it is chicken yakitori skewers with stir-fried greens. Let's go. So I've preheated my oven and I've added the grill function on to high. The first step after that really is to soak the skewer sticks. So we're using bamboo skewer sticks. So now I'm going to cut my chicken, and I've chosen chicken thighs because they have a bit more fat, so they'll have more moisture and they'll be more soft and tender. So I'm going to cut them into about 3 centimeter pieces. So for the sauce, I'm going to start by adding in the cornstarch into a bowl. This will give the sauce some thickness. And then add in the barbecue sauce. Then I'm gonna add in the soya sauces. So I have 2 different kinds of soya sauce. I have the regular soya sauce, and then I'm gonna add in as well the sweet soya sauce. Then to add a little bit more sweetness, I'm gonna add in the honey. And last, I'm gonna add in the rice vinegar. Alright, so then we're gonna put in our chicken cubes. I wanna make sure that every piece of chicken is nicely coated. So I'm going to cut the spring onions, and the spring onions are going to go in between the chicken pieces on the skewers, so about 2.5–3 centimeters. But I'm going to chop everything and then I can add the rest of these into the stir fry. I've got some beautiful baby pak choi. I'm going to start by cutting them in half. There's lots of green on this recipe, so you're going to be full of nice magnesium and iron from the spinach. I'm going to discard the ends and then chop the rest, quite roughly. This is the snow peas. I'm going to rinse these as well, and then I'm going to trim them a little bit. Cut them in half, lengthwise, but in a diagonal like this. Smells great. Can't wait to try this recipe. Okay, so now I'm going to start threading my chicken in. I'm going to put a spring onion, chicken, spring onion. They look beautiful. In Japan, typically these would go on portable charcoal. You could also make these on your barbecue, but I'm going to put them in the grill now for about 12 to 15 minutes. So I'm going to switch on my pan now, heat it high, and let's go. So I'm going to season my greens right at the end with a pinch of salt and with the sesame oil. These smell beautiful, they look wonderful. What a lovely recipe. Wow, look at these. The color on these skewers is amazing, and I can feel like there's going to be some nice stickiness from the honey and the barbecue sauce on the chicken. All right, let's plate. So I'm going to lift all my greens at the bottom of the plate. This is absolutely amazing. I can smell the spinach, I can smell the pak choi, the sesame. I'm going to lift my skewers on top, and I'm going to drizzle the skewers with some sesame seeds. And now we're ready for dinner. For more simple, low-carb chicken recipes from around the world, click here. But for now, bon appétit!